Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Messenger is here, and today we are going to continue the modeling of the planetary gear. Today I'm going to refine the axial spacers, or whatever we can call them. Going to size them a bit, then make the next one, which is this going to be, or sorry, so here we have to add this one and modify this. So basically we have to make an alternate version of this, and then I'm going to enable the droid cam and my phone, and then clean up a bit of the material that I have printed out, and then we are going to test. I'm going to go downstairs and going to grab a ring of, or like a tube, Teflon tube part, and then cut it up, and then try the bushing, or maybe not. We'll see how much time I have left. First of all, let's put in some music, not this, because I think this is copyrighted. Bit of dark Arabic. Alright. Printing a so I'm gonna start with the $7 mil. I think that's fine. How much is this? Six. Great. So 6. We have to make this shorter. Thank God I have put them in here. So yes, how long is this? 40. Can make it 34. It will be shorter, but that's okay. It's not bad. You can put the 7mm more onto it. You can make a cap. Let's think a bit. So call it pin and cap. So what do we fuck off? So basically we needed to have this 7x2. This is the base diameter. 7mm. Doesn't have to be 7mm. Can be shorter. It can be shorter. So make it like 6. Give it 3 minutes. 2 is enough, not 2.5, because it will be hollow anyways. So this is the end. Let's give it 6. Don't need that big. 2 millimeters for stiffness. Alright, we have 4 millimeters here basically, and that means that this shit can actually, if we have the pin here, it's not good if it is like so. We have to have it here. So actually it's supposed to be like this. And if we want to be cheeky, maybe we'll put here a rim so that the Teflon ring doesn't fall out. We can go away with yeah. This is a trash fucking because if we have this shit here, this is the hole, it is there, and here we have the, we will have to see anyways, because whatever, the purpose of the whole thing is that it will hold the let me show you what I mean. It will be a cup. You can basically put this onto the end of this shit, and it is solid, and here it has this rim so that it doesn't allow axially to the what is this? What is this pin and cap? Basically we have this thing here, and oh, is it fuck? Oh my god, I can't see wireframe would be such a fucking still no. I wonder if this is okay. How much space do we have here? I suppose not too much. 1.5 mils, but in the inside there is more space, so here it won't touch, because there is this ring here that basically sits over the Teflon. So we have the how is this? This is disgusting. Whatever. So we have the shaft, we have Teflon tubing over it. So pin, Teflon has the thing, same here. So this is basically mirrored. This means this side is the same. So basically we have this and we put here a Teflon ring segment, kind of like a ring, and then it is cut, and it is technically not a full ring because it is just, oh fuck me, which one is this? So basically it's just like a C-shaped thing. We put it here, and then this will sit next to the end cap. This is not, of course, size. Well, I think this was it. Yes. So basically this is a bit longer. So let me correct it. This is a bit longer in terms of like this, and we have the end cap. Let's draw with a different color. Let's go with Teflon is going to be white. Yes, very good idea. Let's go with gray. Can we go with gray? This looks shit. Let's go with green. So Teflon is going to be the green one. Let's say it with this big. And here we're going to have the end cap. Of course, this is just reference, not the literal stuff. So this is this little thing here that basically is fuck off. So this is this side here that doesn't allow it to go outside, and then here is the pin. So here it sits, and here the blue continues onto the pin. This got worse than I thought it will look like. Whatever, so you get the point. So it sits like this. Planetary, make it a bit shorter, because from the end of the pin, but here it can sit up. There is 1.5 mils, so 3 mils here. That's fine. Suppose we can put the piece here into the slot. That's fine. Alright. On this side we are just going to have the ring basically sit next to this. Going to try out one thing, which is that basically I try to iron it out. So I take like an iron, or like I don't know how to say, it's like iron, you know, that you iron the clothes, like a shirt or whatever they call it, and try to iron out, so flatten out the piece of Teflon so that I can maybe cut like rings, and that would be pretty good because then I wouldn't need this type of shit. We'll have to check that out. So what do we do now? We edit this so that we have this. We want to open this. close the pin because I don't care. Yes, save. Okay, save. Carrier, fine. Dead spool test. Yes, that's spool test. Yes, open this. First of all, I'm just going to, because I may going to make like 2mm thick pieces, which will result in as well as I might need to take off the fuck off. I need to take off this edge here. Take off this edge. Alright, make it 1mm shorter. Because I want to add more Teflon. So the Teflon is going to be like 2mm, so it will need space. Whatever, even 3mm is not that big of a deal. Nothing. Maybe here as well. Yeah, I think it will be fine because it can wiggle, so it's not big of a deal. If there's only 1mm here and there's like 2 here or 3, don't give a shit too much. Yes, I will need this oxy ring in, and I will need to make a... of course that is not... just fucking angering me always. Oxy ring, what do we call it? No oxy ring carrier. Alright, oxy ring carrier. How the fuck are we going to copy this? I suppose we should never has this shit. Yes, and this. Thank you. Take this. Copy C. Ba 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 ba. For fuck's sake. How is this on? Yes, so the flat side which has the outside. Yeah, this should be the top. Of course it is not in the right fucking orientation. What a fucking bitch. Alright, fine. How much is this? 1mm? Half a millimeter? Half a millimeter, okay. don't think this is the... This side sits next to the 20mm. Yes, so this should be 10mm from the inside, which I suppose is not. Just, I don't know why then, why it does put the fucking, what a fucking idiot this is. 10mm. Fuck you. Alright. I think this will do. Now we do this, great. Okay. Now the question is, how much is this? 10%, okay. We'll do at 22%. Let's go with 24. All right. Whatever. So it's going to be lovely. Huh? No, come on. This is a fucking joke. Fine. I think it can go even further. I think it will be fine. Fuck. Hello? wait. Why can't we do this? Oopsie doopsie. Oh, no problem, because this moves with the... Oh, then it's not a problem. Said not a verb. Did not say a verb. Because this, no, unlike these, the what is this called? The gear moves on the Teflon, so the pin is stationary. Here, the ring or this axial bullshit support can be put next to or like pressed onto this shit. They can touch because they will spin with the shaft, so they will basically spin. It's no problem because one is not faster than the other, ramming not that significantly. Yep. Okay. And we will put the yeah, we'll have to reload this as well, and we'll have to put the other here, and then that's okay. I think I will stop the stream right now because my head hurts a lot. Oh. Yeah, whatever. This was a quick stream. Thank you for watching. Do the hard work, especially not failing. Do, 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 do.